In this module, we are going to talk about the impact of remittances on economic growth. This slide shows some stepwise impact of remittances on economic growth. Increasing investment, that is what comes out of positive remittance impact on macroeconomic level. And secondly, it was increasing amount of foreign currency. Then there is decreasing macroeconomic volatility, and it is also increasing import. Now there's a negative impact of these remittances, maybe like it is increasing currency exchange rate and decreasing labor supply. It is also decreasing export competitiveness, and it also involves in increasing price level. Remittances are attributed as the stable forms of international financial flows, highly beneficial to developing economies. Many nations in sub Saharan Africa are highly dependent on remittances. It also becomes helpful for the poverty alleviation in developing countries, improved human development, especially in developing part of the world. Remittances play an important role in sustaining the economy, especially it works for the reserves of the country that makes a country usually prosperous, or you may call that the country becomes more economically efficient with the flow of remittances. Remittances give opportunity to invest in land, seeds, livestock, purchasing other important equipment, can be helpful for microfinance, debt, higher productivity due to better health care. Remittances help to absorb the effects of external economic shocks. Remittances are considered as a major source of foreign exchange, overcoming domestic savings gaps, balance of payments, and improved GDP growth. So, this is how you can understand that with the positive impact of remittances, always beneficial for the economic growth rate for any country, especially developing countries take advantage of these remittances. Remittances provide capital for starting new businesses, flow to poorest rural areas, upgradation of private sector. It serves as counterbalance when capital flows weaken. Therefore, remittances have a positive and negative impact on the developing economies. Especially, it becomes more positive when any economy is declining or has been weakened for decades. In such economies, remittances play a vital role in sustaining those economies.